Welcome to Birds Hill Provincial Park, one of Manitoba's most beautiful natural destinations. Today, we're exploring its peaceful landscapes, beautiful lakes, and amazing wildlife. Let's begin this unforgettable journey. As we enter the park, you'll immediately notice the peaceful surroundings. Towering trees, fresh air, and quiet roads create the perfect escape from busy city life. Every turn brings a new, beautiful view waiting to be discovered. The calm waters of the lake reflect the blue sky, creating a peaceful atmosphere that instantly relaxes the mind. Visitors come here to enjoy nature, take photographs, and simply appreciate the beauty of the Canadian outdoors. One of the most fascinating sights here is the Canada goose. These beautiful birds are famous for their incredible seasonal migration. Every spring and autumn, they travel thousands of kilometers across North America in search of warmer weather and better nesting grounds. Have you noticed their V-shaped flying formation? This remarkable teamwork helps reduce wind resistance and allows the entire flock to save energy during their long journey. Even while swimming, they stay close together, communicating through their familiar honking sounds. Watching these graceful birds glide across the peaceful lake is a truly relaxing experience. Their calm movements remind us how perfectly wildlife lives in harmony with nature. Moments like these make Birds Hill Provincial Park a paradise for bird lovers. Birds Hill Provincial Park is also a wonderful place for families. Spacious picnic areas, barbecue facilities, walking trails, and cycling routes make it a perfect destination for a weekend getaway. Whether you're enjoying lunch, outdoors, or simply relaxing under the trees, this park offers something for. As we continue our walk, we're surrounded by beautiful forests, open green spaces, and the peaceful sounds of nature. Every path invites visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the simple beauty of the outdoors. It's the perfect place to reconnect with nature and leave everyday stress behind. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey through Birds Hill Provincial Park in Manitoba, Canada. If you enjoyed exploring this beautiful destination and learning about the amazing Canada geese, please like this video, subscribe to Daily Adventures Vlogs, and join me for more travel adventures across Canada and around the world. See you in the next adventure.
मोटे मोटे फुल्ले फुल्ले वो बिल्कुल